I look forward to working with you. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. My name's Jose, and I'm the Strategic Communications Intern for the UGA Office of Sustainability. So this semester, my position has allowed me to work in the broader aspect of the communications field, learning new skills and forming great bonds with new people along the way. My main responsibility this semester was to be the social media coordinator, taking lead of the already existing platforms we had a presence in, including Facebook and Instagram. Now on Facebook and Instagram respectively, we had a 15% follower increase for each platform. I also had the chance to work with numerous student organizations around campus, as well as other people across the country. For example, I had the chance to work with other Office of Sustainability departments in other universities and created good relationships with them. I worked with South Carolina and LSU to create an office intern challenge between the three of us during this pandemic. I'm very grateful for this internship. It has taught me numerous skills in networking and communications, but most importantly, leadership. Thank you so much for having me this semester, and I look forward to being more sustainable in my future. Go Dogs!